Hey there! In this video, we'll be going through how you can backup and recover your box data using HYCU R-Cloud. The first thing we need to do is to add box as a source on HYCU. So let's look at how we can do that. On the marketplace page, you can view all the 80 plus workloads that HYCU supports today. In the box listing, you can find some additional links, including the link to the module configuration guide. To configure a box instance, you just need your enterprise ID, client ID, and client secret. Once you've added these and configured your box, you can find it under the list of SaaS applications along with the other SaaS apps that you're protecting on HYCU. Now, before we move ahead, let's quickly delete a file from box and look at how we can restore that using HYCU. This is my box account where I have a bunch of different files and folders. Let's say for an example, what I wanted to do is delete the old version of this file, but in a hurry, I didn't read the file name correctly and deleted the updated version instead. I'm sure a lot of us have made this mistake in the past. We could definitely find the file in the trash, but after 30 days or after a routine trash cleanup, the files in trash can be purged forever. But luckily, we have the box data already backed up on HYCU. From the list here, you can select the backup you want to restore from. Let's go with the most recent restore point. HYCU allows you to either recover your data back to box or export your box data to an offsite S3 compatible storage target. As you can see here, we can restore the entire instance, a root folder which essentially will restore all the data for a particular user, a subfolder belonging to any user, or just files and web links directly. In this case, we want to restore a single file. Here, you can navigate to the specific file you want to restore. You can then select where you want to restore the data from. If you've configured a secondary backup or an archive, you should see those options here as well. Let's go with the primary backup and hit restore. Looks like the restore is complete. So let's go back to box and check that. You see the file that we deleted has now been restored. Next, let's understand how and where you can configure the backup frequencies and retention policies for your box backups. We do that using policies on HYCU. HYCU offers a few policies out of the box, or you can create your own policies. You get complete control over the backup frequency with flexibility down to the hour. You can retain your backups for years. Let's say you want to retain your box backups for 1 year. Then you can specify the storage target you want to use for your box backups. You can also store copies and archives of your box backups, and also set up a backup window to specify when you want to run your automated backups. Finally, let's understand where your backup data actually sits. One of HYCU's core advantages is that you have complete control over your backup data. The data is stored in a target defined and owned by you. You can configure your AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or other S3 compatible buckets like Wasabi. Just enter the required details and you can add your storage target. The main advantage of using your storage target is that only you own and control your data and also fulfill your data residency and compliance requirements. Well, that was how you can protect your box data with HYCU in a nutshell. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.